On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is your walking and standing stamina? If it's not that great, that's okay. I'm gonna help you this month in the form of a challenge. If you've been following me for a while and if you're a member of the Agustin Fitness app, you know that every first of the month I have a new beginner challenge. And in April, my goal is to help you improve your walking and standing stamina for the spring. On my side of the planet, it's finally spring. There's a little bit of snow where I live, but I know good weather is just at my front door, and I'm gonna be taking daily walks. I want you to join me on this experience. But if your walking stamina isn't that great at the moment because winter has been a sedentary one, or you just haven't been moving in years, that's fine. I'm here to help this month in a gentle way. This month's challenge, we're going to be focusing on your feet and ankle strength. We'll be working your core, your glutes, all in a modified way from your kitchen counter to your bed mattress. We'll also be practicing a few steps from the comfort of your home from a seated or standing position, or both, whatever you're most comfortable with depending on your level. And there's also an upper body routine using light dumbbells or water bottles. You might not think it, but your upper body, especially your shoulders, are so important when it comes to walking stamina. There's a lot of upper body movement when you walk, but also if you walk with bags, you're carrying a child, or whatever you may need, it's important that we build that muscle endurance in our upper body. It helps all around. 30 days, it's all set up for you on my website and app. You just need to follow all the workouts from Monday to Sunday. I'm so excited for you to start. I really worked hard on this one. It's so important for everyday life, and I want you to enjoy the new season that's here. It's very easy to sign up to this challenge. Go to justinagustin.com, tap the link in my bio to go there directly. Choose any plan. As soon as you're signed up, you'll have access to the challenge, but also my complete library of my past videos, including 30-day courses, beginner, healthy, easy recipes that you can follow, my beginner nutrition guide, workouts from my amazing fiance Kathleen, and just a huge library of beginner workout videos that you can follow along to. Sign up now and let's do this. You totally got this.